Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Oportun is a mission-driven financial services company that provides inclusive and affordable financial products designed to empower its customers. They aim to build a fairer financial system, one that breaks down traditional barriers and creates opportunities for individuals often overlooked by mainstream banking. Oportun offers a range of services tailored to help people build a stronger financial future. Their primary focus is on providing responsible, affordable loans that help individuals establish or rebuild their credit. These loans are designed with clear terms and fixed interest rates, promoting transparency and predictability in repayment. Oportun goes beyond simply providing loans. They're committed to equipping their customers with the tools and resources needed to manage their finances effectively. They offer financial education resources and guidance to help customers make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals. Oportun's commitment to financial inclusion extends to serving communities often excluded from traditional financial services. They strive to create a more equitable financial landscape where everyone has access to the opportunities they need to prosper. The company prides itself on its customer-centric approach, working closely with individuals to understand their unique circumstances and provide personalized support. Oportun believes that financial well-being is a fundamental right and actively works to make that a reality for their customers. They are building a community of financially empowered individuals, one loan, one resource, and one opportunity at a time. Their commitment extends beyond simply providing financial products. They are fostering financial resilience and creating pathways to a brighter future for the communities they serve. By promoting responsible lending practices and empowering individuals with financial knowledge, Oportun is making a tangible difference in the lives of their customers and working towards a more inclusive financial system for all.